Hello everybody. Will we see a new pump in Bitcoin? I think so, yes. So let's have a look. So currently we're in a downtrend. So we have the all-time high over here, first low, second low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and it looks like we're going to make a new lower low. But looking at the Binance Basis Oscillator, we can see that this line is almost into the green zone. So that means that the price of the futures compared to the spot price is getting smaller and smaller. So that means that the speculators are backing off here. So what I think what might happen is that we take out the liquidity below this white line, which is at 59k, and that from there we go up again. We can have a look at something similar over here. We reach the top, and then you can see that speculators are backing off. We even reached the bottom before we reached the bottom in the price difference, and then price was nicely coming up, and then the speculators were following suit to the all-time high. So yeah, for the moment I think that's quite possible, but it will all depend on the stock market, I think, because if we have a look at the Nasdaq, Bitcoin seems to correlate quite well with the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, we made a high, and then on the 21st of March we made a double top, took out the liquidity above, and since then we're coming down. So here we have our first low, then lower high, definitely made a lower low, and now it looks like we're topping out again. So it's curious again to see how well the volume weighted average price is respected. So from this low, we touched it, we did come up, and then the volume weighted average price here above will become resistance, it looked like. Today we have quite a nice drop, but I think maybe in one of the coming days we will go up here again to test this resistance, and then come down again, and that might be the moment that Bitcoin will take out the liquidity from the previous low. So this is one to watch. If this doesn't work out, if this support doesn't hold anymore, then in my opinion, the most logical line of support would be here the 0.618 retracement, which is at between 15.7 and 15.8k. If we look at the volume from the low of the 26th of October till the all-time high, then we can see that the point of control is exactly at the 0.618, and then also the value area low, the blue line, is also exactly at the 0.66 retracement. So there's some nice confluences over there. The question is, where will Bitcoin go if we go that low on the Nasdaq? It's quite hard to say. Then maybe we should look at 50 to 51k here, this zone of consolidation. Or who knows, maybe a retest here, the 49k. So, but for now, I'm looking what will happen with the 59k, whether we get a nice rebounds from there. Good. So the algos, let's see, do I have something here? Yeah, this is like a bull flag which starts to form for Bitcoin. But so far nothing special about that. So on the 1 hour time frame, got a short signal. We're a bit below on the 1 hour time frame, so this would be more or less how much? Yeah, almost 5%. And then we have Ethereum, got a short signal somewhere over here, and this one is 7% in profit. Then the Bitcoin on the daily chart. So for the turtle strategy, there is nothing because we're in a downtrend, so it usually doesn't react in downtrends. Then the ATR gave us a buy signal on the 22nd of April, and now we get a sell signal, so this will be quite a loss, I'm afraid. Let's see, because we bought at the top, and yeah, we would lose 10%. Then Ethereum, nothing got changed here, got a sell signal, and let's see, for the moment 5.5% in profit. Then we have Solana, also a nice trade for the moment, short signal, and now minus 18.5%. And then we have XLM, got a sell signal over here, and currently we are 8% down, so 8% in profit. XRP, yeah, really buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, not much going on. The volatility seems to be gone out of this one. Let's hide the indicator. Do we see something? We got a grab for liquidity here on the 13th of April. So we did take out this low, then we got a nice bounce. Now we're coming back. No. No clue about this one. This is a support line which got broken here. So we did trade above the trend line again, and then now we're back below. So probably this one will become now a resistance. And apart from that, I don't think we can draw some trend lines which would make sense. They would all be resistance, something like this. Yeah, it would be nice if we break out from that one. Or maybe you draw it like this, and then we would be at support for a moment. But given what Bitcoin is doing, well, yeah, maybe if we get a pump in Bitcoin, then we might get out of this triangle-ish formation. Yeah, might be one to watch, but I wouldn't bet too much money on it. But yeah, as we can see here on the strategy tester, it's 42% profitable trades we get. And from the start date, this is Binance, so this is quite a history. So since 2013, we would have made quite some profit. But okay, so for the moment, this is it. And then we have Gala. That's also a nice trade, short over here, and then at minus 32 for the moment. So 32% in profit. So we had Nasdaq, or maybe let's have a look first. Gold selling off. Everything seems to be selling off today. It's quite an interesting day. So gold minus 1.7 and silver minus 2.73. So for silver, we get the exit signal. For gold, we were already out last week. So silver, the next support level might be this volume weighted average price from this low. So let's mark this one green and see how it will act. If we lose that one, then the next level I'm looking at is 23.5 to 24.2. So that's where we had this confluence of all those volume weighted average price lines. Euro USD currently in a short position, and it looks like this volume weighted average price is acting for the moment again as a support. So we also had it around here. Yes, we did dip a bit below, but you can see it as a zone in which we did find support. So here as well, we can dip a bit lower and then maybe go back into this green rectangle. So crude oil also selling off today was even worse. but for the moment minus 1.13. For the moment we're a bit in the middle of nowhere, so I think if we sell off, we go back here to the confluence of the volume weighted average prices around 82.5. Then copper was doing very nice and is now also selling off, minus 2.35. So we have been buying over here, so currently still in profit for all trades. And then let's see, do we have something? Exit Apple, exit Adobe, nothing for Amazon. Alibaba, we got an entry signal yesterday and then today an exit again. It's also nothing there. Walt Disney, exit. Alphabet, I think this one, yeah, this one, we're still in a trade with this one. MasterCard got here entry signal, but today exit. McDonald's is a quite an interesting one. So we got a gigantic drop, which would have been how much? 3.37, and then we did dip a bit lower, and then apparently we got into a buy zone, and then this whole thing got pumped up. But we reached the trigger line, so that means we are selling, and we are selling on quite a nice candle. So that means that those trades will close out in profit. Meta, exit. Oof. Yeah, we dumped on the 25th minus 10.56%, but we got out a few days before, so that's very good. Microsoft, exit. Nike, seems the algo is doing some effort to buy this one again. We're gonna have to see. Nvidia, got the exit, nothing else to do. Palantir, exit. Tesla, second buy signal yesterday. Nasdaq, exit. Unfortunately, completely at the bottom on the 19th of April. S&P 500, exit on the 15th of April. So yeah, not much to trade in the stock market. Everything looks bearish over there. Let's see. I had a window open. Yeah, okay, here we go. So this is the performance of the stock market algos. Yeah, for now I will ignore the currencies because there was a bug in the software, so I stopped that one. So Apple, we got 4 trades, was so far losing, minus $40. So remember, I started with how much? $700 or $800, and total profit is 2,325 so far. So Adobe lost minus 241. Amazon 53 trades, 57 in profit. Alibaba 8 trades, minus 46. Crude oil, that's the one I recently started because on SimpleFX they changed the symbol. So this is 1 trade in profit. Disney 2 trades, $30 profit. Euro USD, so I also stopped this one. So far this one lost almost minus $57. Google 3 trades and 1 is still open. So far plus $5.41. MasterCard 5 trades plus 147. Meta was doing very well. First trade was a losing one, but the second one we did win big, so plus 785. McDonald's, open trade 6 is still open, and so far $19 profit. Microsoft 3 trades -$6. Then Nasdaq, yeah, this one was a really good one. 2 winners in a row, so 624 in profit. Nike so far losing -30. Nvidia 2 losers, and then the last one nice profit. So in total 751. Palantir, nothing to report there, almost -$4. SPX plus $35. Tesla 6 trades, $140 profit. Here's the other one. It used to be UK oil in the past, so this one was a loser so far, -16. Then we have silver, lost 310. And then gold was also losing quite a lot, and it's actually, yeah, the last 2 trades which brought us into a profit of $471. So in total, yeah, that's what I said, $2,325 profit. Winners 89, losers 124. So win rate would bring us to almost 42%. So as you can see, you don't always need super high win rates to make profits. So that's the strength of the algorithms. All right. Okay. Good. That was it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.